have it this way. Now we allow it to dry.
Alright, so this is the wooden board needed to demarcate the cupboard into two. So we are making that by joining two planks together to form the a wooden board. The required size we require about 15 inches to demarcate the cupboard into two separate parts. So we needed to join them, and that is what we are doing right here. And the wooden board is prepared now, ready for use. Right now the concrete slab is ready, and we want to put the wooden board in between the cubicle to divide into two, and that's the next job. So we put the wooden board here and support it with some stool and planks. Now we are trying to divide the section into two, and that's what we are doing here. I'm trying to measure the space up and down to actually determine the position where I'm going to place the wooden board to have a good demarcation in between. After that, we are going to fix it permanently onto the walls. Now the installation of the wooden board is taking place. You can see the installation being done here. We used two pieces of batting, and the battens were nailed into the walls, and the wooden board is on top and nailed onto them to divide the cubicle into two different parts, upper and lower parts. And that is what is taking place. That is what here we started preparing the planks for the frame for doors. So for doors, cutting, planing, measuring, checking, and rules. That's what is being carried out right here.
With carpentry and joinery, I'm going to make the door for a small cement cupboard. Cement cubicle kitchen. Today I'm making the door. So these pieces are the wooden frames for the door. Having cut the frame, we want to make the frame now. We're going to use 2 inches nail, 2 inches nail for this job. As you can see, we have 2 inches and 2.5. So we are using 2 inches nail for this job. I needed to do this because the wood has a crack here. So I'm going to nail them like this. Like this. Okay. So that's what we are doing now. Right? That is this side. And this other side is BB. We mark. So we mark it BB. This is the way it's going to stand, and we're going to nail it into the wall this way now. This is 2 feet less half inch. 2 feet less half inch. We're going to use this half board for the door. So that's what we're going to do. The height 2 feet 3 1/4, and then 2 feet less half inch.
Right now we are trying to frame the door for the cupboard, and then that is the frame of the door that we are making right here. We are going to use plywood to make the doors. That's what we are doing.
And this is the board. This is the board for the door. So we're going to fix it to the frame. Here is the frame that has been made just now. So we fix the board onto it.
So my children too are also involved. See them nailing the plywood board onto the frame right now. Did it together.
This is one door.
Now we have the 2 doors ready and set onto the frames. So you can see the 2 sided doors. Now the next job is to fix them permanently to the frames sideways. That is the next job. We are going to need hinges. This is it. Hinges to hold them to the frame permanently. That's the job that we are doing next. As you can see right here, creating spaces for the hinges so that they lead down to the door, which is also well nailed to the face.
So we're going to do hook catcher for it so that I can hold the door in. The hook and catcher will be inside. That's the final door without the hook and the catcher. So the job continues in another time when we'll be bringing the tiling of the cement parts of the cubicle. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Until another time, bye bye.